how to change account age in Epic Games. So in this video, I'll show you how to change account games in Epic Games. So first, go ahead and open epicgames.com into your browser and then click on the sign in button at the top right of your device. So you can also do this on the Epic Games application. Now, once you're signed in, you'll basically find your username at the top right instead of a sign in button. So in here, go ahead and click on settings. So click on your name at the top right and then click on account, and that will take you to your account settings. So once you're on the settings, head over into your personal info section. So you'll basically find it in here. So as you can see, there is no option for you to change your age on Epic Games. So you'll see your date of birth, but it cannot be edited directly. So what you can do instead is to just create an email to Epic Games support to change your birth date on Epic Games. Now, if they approve your request, you'll be able to get a confirmation message on your email that says that you'll update your birthday on your Epic Games account. So there is no direct way to edit your age. You can only contact the support of Epic Games. And that is how you can basically change account age in Epic Games.